particularly about the integrity of the IEBC technology and server. We have intelligence and reports that their system was penetrated and hacked, and that some of the IEBC officials actually committed electoral offences, and some of them ought to have been arrested if they were not arrested. I think you will remember that I had earlier stated that Bomas of Kenya was a crime scene, and that was way before the results of this. The reason that I say Bomas of Kenya was a crime scene is because as Kenyans were busy waiting for the outcome of this election, we will be able to know and to tell the Kenyan people, because a result that is not verifiable is not a result, and therefore that is our and the chairman had actually assured Kenyans that he will run this process transparently, which he has not.
Is the party chairman, a party leader, presidential candidate coming here?
I will not take questions for now, but we were not in a position to ask our party leader to come before we actually verify the results. So the first step was to verify the results, which we have not been able to do.
What more can you tell us about the irregularities?
Yeah, I think that's enough. That's enough. Thank you very much.